Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So this video is dedicated to Drugstore Makeup Diva. You did request peach, so here you go, boo. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start off with this LA Girl Pro Primer in the color white. This is what I use to prime my lid. First color we're going to use is out of the Saharan Blush 1 palette, and this color is called Tao, and we're going to go ahead and put that in the crease. So the next color we're going to use is from Sugar Peel. This is Taco. This is the matte white eyeshadow. We're going to place this in one part of the lid closer to the inner tear duct. The next color is out of this Sleek palette. This is the Oh So Special palette. We're going to use this light peach that's in the corner right here. I know the the Diva ring is washing the color out, but we're going to put that in the center of the lid. And once I tried to edit this video, it looks like it's white, but it is definitely peach. So I'm just going to put that in the center of the lid. Okay, so back to the Juvia's Place Saharan 1 palette, blush palette. We're going to use the color Tahoe again that we placed in the crease and use that to define the outer V. The next color I'm going to take is a Sugar Peel color. This is out of the Cold Chemistry palette, and it is the shimmery white. It is called Diamond something. But we're going to place this color inside of the inner tear duct. So next we're going to line our waterline with this Wet n Wild Fergie pencil. I don't know the name of it, but it is the white one applied onto the waterline. I'm applying liner and lashes off camera. So now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty's Kilowatts and the Muscat Mule in Ginger Binge. And I'm using both of those colors to for my brow bone highlights. So I'm using Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Deep. Place it on under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and forehead per usual. Same old Topaz to highlight over the concealed areas, and Sienna and Chestnut mix for the full face. You know, I do this in every tutorial that I do, and it is the same thing, so I didn't think I had to show you the container twice. So like I said, I'm just going to set my face and then we'll move on to the next clip. Okay, so we are going back in with Taco from Sugar Pill. We're going to place this on the lower lash line. Y'all guys don't know, I was over here jamming, okay? I was jamming tonight. Two of my favorite mascaras, the L'Oreal in Voluminous in Carbon Black and the Total Tease by Maybelline. To contour with, I'm going to use my Saharan 2 palette. I'm going to use my usual Abby, and I'm going to use this as my contour shade. Okay, so we're using Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule to highlight with tonight. Okay, so here we go for the lip combo. We're going to use the Wet n Wild pencil. Didn't have a name because I threw the box in the trash, but I'm just going to line my lips with this color, and then I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Cat Suit matte liquid lipstick, and that one is in Coral Corruption. And I'm just going to trace my lips and blend in Coral Corruption in the center of the lips. Okay, so here is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I will talk to you guys real soon. Until the next video, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.